How to fix Snapchat not sending snaps problem and issue on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will open your settings of your device or your phone. Then you will go to apps. You will open apps, and on apps guys, now you will search for Snapchat application. As you see, it's loading because all the application that you have on your phone, it's showing right now. You interested in just Snapchat. When you found it like this, just open it and go to storage, click on storage and go to the last one here, clear data, click OK, and then back and click force stop and click OK, and you will back again to Play Store and update Snapchat again, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.